how to order Cash App card on Cash App. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we will learn how we can order Cash App card, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to order a Cash App card, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch Cash App. If your account is just new, you haven't ordered a Cash App card, you can actually order a Cash App card if you come to this card icon here. And here you can see all the benefits of having a Cash App card. Now you can just tap the get free Cash App card option here. You can choose your style, which is classic or which is the metal one. The metal one is of course going to cost you some amount of money, but if you are short on funds, you can actually just apply for a classic, which is completely free by the way. So you can select a color of your choice, and once done you can just select personalized card if you want to. Otherwise you can just tap on the order card option here, and once you tap on order card you will be able to enter your details, and once you enter your details, Cash App card will get successfully sent to you. This way you should be able to go ahead and then basically order a Cash App card. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.